I'm testing the Hoover FloorMate. It's cordless hard floor cleaner with Spinscrub, and it's the cordless feature is really nice. We're going to start by just turning it on to the scrub position, pressing the bottom lever, which releases floor cleaner. That releases the water and the floor cleaner. Now I'm going to put it onto wash and dry. When the FloorMate is in wash and dry motion, you move forward, and then when you move back, it creates a suction. The suction is very nice, and it does pull up a lot of dirt and debris that is on the floor. And I tried it on my bathroom tiled floor today. It's great for hardwood floors that are sealed and any sealed flooring.